Starting a print-on-demand business, step by step. Print-on-demand pod is a very accessible business model for beginner entrepreneurs. It allows you to sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, bags, or posters without managing inventory. Here is a step-by-step guide to starting your own pod company. Step 1. Find your niche. The first step to success in pod is finding a niche is a focused market segment with shared interests. For example, yoga enthusiasts, cat lovers, or gaming fans. Market research. Use Google Trends, Etsy, or Amazon to analyze popular products in different niches. Target audience. Clearly define your audience, age, gender, interests, buying habits. Unique selling proposition USP. Identify what makes your products unique and why customers should choose you over competitors. Step 2. Choose your products. POD allows you to create a wide range of products. You should select those that fit your niche and audience. T-shirts and hoodies, the most popular products to start with. Mugs and bottles, highly demanded as personalized gifts. Posters, phone cases, tote bags, perfect for diversifying your offerings. Tip: start with 1 or 2 product types to avoid spreading yourself too thin. You can expand later. Step 3. Select a print-on-demand platform. Pod platforms handle printing and shipping. Choose the one that suits your needs best. Printful, very popular, easy integration with Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. Printify offers a wide range of products and multiple suppliers to compare prices. Teespring, spring, ideal for selling directly through social media. Redbubble, Zazzle, perfect for starting without creating a website. Tip: compare fees, product quality, and shipping times before choosing. Step 4. Design your products. Design is key to success in pod. Even a basic product can become a bestseller with an attractive design. Free tools: Canva, GIMP, Inkscape for creating designs. Professional software: Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop if you have experience. Design tips: keep designs simple and readable. Test different colors and sizes. Tailor designs to your target audience and niche. Step 5. Set up your online store. To sell your products, you need an online store. Several options are available. Shopify, ideal for a professional website with pod integration. Etsy, simple and effective for beginners with pre-existing traffic. WooCommerce WordPress, full flexibility if you want a complete site. Redbubble, Teespring, allow sales without a website. Tip: make sure your store has a clean design, attractive product photos, and detailed descriptions. Step 6. Price your products. Pricing is crucial to stay competitive and profitable. Calculate costs. Add the pod product cost plus platform, fees plus desired profit margin. Competitor analysis. Compare your prices to similar products in the market. Strategies. Psychological pricing, for example, $19.99 instead of $20. Bundle offers, e.g. 2 t-shirts加1 mug. Limited time promotions to attract first customers. Step 7. Market your products. Even the best product won't sell without marketing. Free and paid strategies can boost your sales. Social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook to build an audience and showcase designs. Paid advertising, Facebook ads and Google ads to reach a targeted audience. Influencers, collaborate with micro-influencers in your niche. SEO and content, blog posts and optimized product descriptions to appear in Google searches. Tip: start with organic strategies before spending on paid ads. Step 8. Handle orders and customer service. Once sales start, good customer service is essential to retain clients. Pod platforms. They handle printing and shipping, but you are the point of contact for customers. Communication. Respond quickly to questions and issues. Clear policies. Define returns, refunds, and shipping times on your site. Tip: positive reviews are a key factor in increasing trust and sales. Step 9. Analyze and improve. Success in POD comes with continuous improvement. Track sales. Use platform dashboards to identify best-selling products. Feedback. Listen to customer comments to improve designs and products. A/B testing. Try different designs, prices, and descriptions to see what works best. Expansion. Gradually add new products and designs to diversify your offerings. Step 10. Scale your business. Once you find a working formula, it's time to scale. Automation. Use tools to automate marketing, emails, and order management. Paid advertising. Invest in targeted campaigns to increase sales. Diversification. Add new niches or trending products to reach more customers. Branding. Build a strong brand identity to retain customers and make products recognizable. Conclusion. Starting a print-on-demand business is accessible but requires planning, patience, and creativity. By following these steps, defining your niche, choosing products, designing items, setting up a store, and marketing your products, you can build a profitable business without upfront inventory. Consistency, learning from experience, and continuously improving your designs and marketing strategies are key. With regular effort and a clear strategy, Pod can become a stable source of income and a scalable business for the long term.